Yeah, man. Sheikh Hanif. Like, I just came home. Like, no, really, like, just came home. Like, I still got stated issue boxers on right now. Love. All my people doing time right now, make some noise. Bang on your doors. Bang on your doors. All my people's locked up right now, make some noise. Bang on your doors. Bang on your doors. Now flat out. Now flat out. Flat out. Flat out. Flat out. Now flat out. Flat out. Flat out. Yeah. Flat out. Love. All my people doing time, I'ma drop a line, cause I know exactly how you're feeling, all the stress is on your mind. Nigga, drop the dime, yeah, I know exactly how you're living, know exactly how you're bidding. I was just down for a minute, don't tell me you coming to visit. A sun and a kite, my nigga just sent it. I said it, I'm in it, little brother stay getting caught up. New charges getting bought up. He said fuck a money order, got that belt money and a lawyer. Would've made it through the worst, just wait till that sentence get reversed. We gon' be banging on them doors, just like it's December 31st. All my people doing time right now, make some noise. Bang on your doors, bang on your doors. All my people's locked up right now, make some noise. Bang on your doors, bang on your doors. Now flat out, now flat out, flat out, flat out, flat out. Now flat out, flat out, yeah, flat out, yeah, flat out, flat out. Look, the struggle is real, but we gonna fight it. How they treating us, we ain't keeping quiet. We ain't laying down, we gon' start a riot. This a hunger strike, though, this ain't a diet. Seen a bunch of niggas come and go, and come back like they love it, though. Had the nerve to say, I know you gotta stretch, but at least you got numbers, though. You counting the days, wondering when you get out of this cage. Been sick ever since they undotted the case. Locking in 23 hours a day, yeah, I can relate. Know them niggas from the other side, stayed praying on my downfall. Heard they hit him in a chow hall, but that was Walpole, Can't complain, it could be worse. See, I just bagged me a nurse. Always stay up with some dirt. Drug transactions in church. Lord forgive me, but I gotta get it. Shorty passed the pack in a visit room. Prayer rugs all on the floor. Got the cell looking like a living room. All my people doing time right now, make some noise. Bang on your doors. Bang on your doors. All my people's locked up right now, make some noise. Bang on your